Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Toki Tahmid. Today I have another awesome origami for you. Um this is a paper origami crane, but this is not a normal origami crane. This is, wait for it, a flapping origami crane. And yeah, this origami crane is very cool, and I will put a link to the video where I learned how to make this crane from. And yeah, all you need to make that crane, this origami crane, is any square sheet of paper. It can be big, it can be small. My square sheet of paper is 6 by 6 inch. So yeah, let's get started. So first, hold your paper like this, so it's the shape of a diamond. Then fold the paper in half like this, so it's now a triangle. Then open it back up, rotate the paper, then do the same fold again. And you need to crease sharply. Yeah, open it back up again, then flip the paper over, and now don't hold it like this, hold it like this, so it's a square now. And then fold the paper half like this, so instead of a triangle, now you should say rectangle. Here, a rectangle. Open it back up, rotate the paper, and then fold the paper like this again. And open it back up. And now you need to hold the paper like this, like this. Then close it like this. Then hide this flap like there. And then rest this flap like there. And then now it's a small triangle. So we need to turn the paper, rotate the paper, so the closed side is on the top, the open side is on the bottom. And now we will make a fold that will make this edge align with this crease, the center crease. Need to align it perfectly. And like this, and then fold the paper like this and open it back up. And then we need to open these flaps back up too, and there will be a opening part, so you can grab by here and then try to open it, and then squash these parts down like this. And squash the other side too. So your paper should look like this. And then turn the paper over, and then repeat the same things. Repeat the same step. Like this. Fix it over here. And open these back up again. And then open it. Then squish these flaps like this. And do the same thing on the other side. So it should look like this. It's like a walking person or something with hands. So then we need to fold this flap like this. Then fold this flap like this. Then after I folded that flap like that, I need to fold this flap top. Then fold that flap like this. So it should look like this. And there's a part you can pull out. So this will be the tail of the crane. And then we need to repeat the same stuff we did. Open this flap, fold this flap, and close this flap. We should find a part we can open, and need to open it like this. So this will be the head of the crane. So now I'm going to zoom in the camera so you can see how to make the head of the crane. Need to hold it like this, squash the head. I know it sounds weird, but to do it, squash the head like this, and then fold this part like this. See, it's very simple. And then to make the wings, need to fold it like this, then flip the paper over, then fold like this, and then open it back up, and now your paper crane is finished. And to make the crane flap its wings, we need to hold the paper right over here like this, and then hold its tail, and then start pulling, and then the wings will start to flap. So now your crane can fly. And yeah, this was the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. YouTube has turned off my comments, so you guys can't comment, but that's okay. And I will also put, as I told you earlier, I will put a link to the video I learned how to make this paper crane from, if that makes sense. So please click the link in the description to find out which video I learned how to make this paper crane from. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.